How safe is your password? Really? Based on this information, safe password should have at least 12 characters, one lowercase, one uppercase, one number, and one symbol. These passwords with these characteristics can take up to 34,000 years to crack. And in this video, we'll make a script that can create safe passwords like this. And one thing that I saw in other scripts to generate passwords on the internet is that they don't comply with these requirements. And that was a huge problem for me, and I decided to make a better script for that. Also, if you're interested in building a UI for your password generator like this, make sure you watch the entire video and I will point you out how to do that. Now let's start with our script to make our password generator. Now the first thing we have to do is to import our random library. This random library will be useful to select random characters for our password. The second step is to define the characters that we'll be using. And we'll start by defining the lower characters from A to Z, all in lowercase. And then let's define our uppercase letters by calling the lower object and call the upper function. As you can see here, now we have all the same letters in uppercase. But we still not finished. As you can see here, we also need a number and a symbol to create a strong password. So we also need to define that. So numeric equals 2 from 0 to 9, the string, and then symbol. We can use a couple of symbols like these ones. Now we have defined all the characters that we'll use in our password. In the next step, we can define an object with all the characters from the strings above. And to do that, we can do lower plus upper plus numeric plus symbol. As simple as that. And we can see that we have all the characters in one single object now. Besides defining all the characters that we'll be using, we need to define the number of characters. In this case, we'll define length equal to 12. But now here's a problem that I saw on other password generators. They usually create a password like this. Password equal to random.sample, and then they select all the characters and the length. And then they do the password equal to dot join and password. So all the characters generated here will be creating a password. Let's print this. So here I see no problem, but if we run this several times, let's see here. Here we can find a problem that I see in this code on other password generators. For example, here we don't have a lowercase. This doesn't create the stronger password that we want. To guarantee that we generate a strong password, we must have at least one of each of those types of characters. And to guarantee that in our code, we must create the following. Password equal to random choice of lower. This will, I have here an error here, should be choice. This will select one single lower, and we must do the same for the other ones. For the symbol, for the numeric, and for the upper. And here in the password, let's redefine this remaining password. Instead of using the length of 12, we'll use 12 minus 4, the remaining 8. And here in the final join, we'll do remaining password and we'll add the remaining password to the password. As you can see, in this way we'll generate a strong password with all the characters that are required for a safe password. And you can run this as much as you can. You will always have the 4 types of characters. Now, before moving on, make sure that you leave a thumbs up because it supports a lot of my work. And besides that, it is free. Now, about the UI for the password generator, like this one. I will leave the link for the video here at the end, and I hope to see you there. Peace out.